Cobra Video, Midland, Aiptek Inc, I am Epic Records, Garmin Corp, Pyle, Coleman, Pure Digital Technologies, Coby Electronics Corporation, IDOLCAM, RCA, Ikan, Contour, Oregon Scientific, Polaroid Corporation, JVC, Vizio, LG Electronics, Sharp Corporation, Eastman Kodak, General Electric, Targus, Hewlett-Packard, Nikon Corporation, Canon, Vivitar, Panasonic Corporation, GoPro, Toshiba, Sony Corporation.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.